3.3 major projects, project 3. In this video I wanted to talk about one of my samples by where I'd used a simple colour palette, used my knitting machine and used mixed media to form a large scale structure. So I think this piece represents the ideas of colour, tactility and performance. Now, with the research with the playground, I've been finding it very difficult to select and sort a colour palette because I don't want to go for the primary sources, the primary colours that are associated with playgrounds. I wanted to go with something that was slightly different. So at the moment I am working through colour palettes, but I am finding it very difficult. But I think this will be an ongoing mini project for me. But at the moment, that isn't really of any importance. I just wanted to play around with shape, bits of colour, and the idea of tactility and performance. This particular piece was inspired by the railings that surround playgrounds, and I saw it as a kind of, it's a protective mechanism to keep the audience inside nice and safe, and also it kind of protects and looks after the structures and the shapes of the playground. So what I've done is I've made the initial idea of a colour palette of 1, 2, 3, 4 colours, and then that resonates slightly different in the stripe knitting that binds the actual structure together. And as we can see, as we start to play and as we start to explore the structure is free moving, free forming, and it makes the audience want to play and use the structure.